Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to log your hours in for NHS. So you're going to go into MobileServe. You all should have one from previous years for theology or anything else. And when you click on there, you're going to click the three dots in the left-hand corner. Next, you're going to press the settings button. And you should be able to go press organizations and join organization. So the code for NHS this year is going to be 79CBEA. Press done. NHS 2021 to 2022. Join. All right. Now that I've done that, I'm going to press my home button. And now I'm going to log hours. So say I wanted to log 1 hour. For example, I did Special Olympics. Done. And so you're going to press under NHS 2021, 2022 and outside service. You're not going to press anything in the theology category. You're going to leave that blank, all right? Say you did tutoring, you wanted to log that, then you press NHS tutoring. Or if you did club service, you press that. But don't put anything into theology. So then, okay, I do my NHS outside service. You tell your story, then press next. Then you get your supervisor name, supervisor email, the signature, and any pictures from the service, and then you submit your hours. Then Ms. Scholl will get a notification, and she'll be able to approve the hours. All right, guys, thank you. If you have any questions, please email me. Thanks.